Good morning. Today I thought of talking about the options available in the machines. When you buy an ultrasound machine, you have to be very careful on selection of options. There are options which are not enabled in the system. So when you buy a machine, after that, if you want to have that option, you'll be in you have to pay a big money to the supplier. So you have to be very careful when you buy the machine to add the options. There are some companies give you options on a demo status also, like you buy and see it for a demonstration purpose. If you are happy with that, then you can buy it. So if you have any doubt on options, on the name of the option or how good it works, the advantages on diagnostic power, do call me 9847069684. I can share my knowledge. Thank you very much.